Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today's topic is why you understand English but can't speak. So many learners say this. I can understand movies and podcasts, but when someone talks to me, I just freeze. Does that sound like you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's talk about why this happens and how to fix it. There are a few main reasons. First, you're afraid of making mistakes. Second, you don't actually speak enough. You listen, but you don't talk. Third, you think in your native language and then translate, and that makes your brain slow down. And finally, you never hear your own voice, so you don't notice what needs to improve. Let me give you a quick example. John hears someone ask, "How was your day?" He understands it perfectly, but he says nothing because his mind is busy translating his answer from his native language to English. That's the real problem. Right, let's quickly review. Today, you learned why you understand English but can't speak easily, and what you can do to change that. Shadowing, self-talk, recording. These small habits help you build real fluency. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. And tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode, How to Think in English Without Translating.